Bangladesh cricketer Shakib Al Hasan and his wife Umme Ahmed Shishir on Friday narrowly escaped an accident after the helicopter that was carrying the two crashed immediately after dropping them in Cox's Bazar. The all-rounder said that he was shocked to learn about the tragedy, in which one person was killed and 4 got injured. "I am fine, but feel rather shocked at the news of the chopper crash. But I can't really tell you anything about the crash. I was at shooting at the time," Shakib was quoted. The chopper crashed on its return flight to Dhaka near Inani beach, an hour after dropping Shakib and his wife at the Royal Tulip Sea Resort, where they were going to shoot a commercial.